Tell me, have you ever wanted a plugin that's for more than just your vocals? Because let me tell you, I have the all-in-one plugin that's for a beat and for your vocals. And it is beautiful, man. I'm telling you, it's so good. Like, you're about to see, I'm about to show you right now. Oh my God, it's so good, bro. I don't think you understand. Oh my God. It's time again. Open your eyes. Oh God. Yo, okay. Am I like kind of confusing right now? So it says vocals and then beat. You can see vocals, beat. So the ones that are under the beat, all these ones are all for the beat. You could do it on your vocals, but it's made for that beat. And then all the ones up here, like the ghost and setter delay, and then all these are all for vocals. The ones on the left, reverb. On the right, delay. Before I get any comments under this video talking about some BS like, oh, you're really gonna sell this for money? It's all free plugins. What's the point? I mean, what do you expect, man? You see, no, look at this. Tell me you understand this. No. I want you to tell me that you everything you see here you understand. Tell me. Do you understand it? Tell me. Go ahead. I mean, I'll wait. You can tell me. Just tell me. Go ahead. I'll wait. You know nothing. You make nothing. You don't know it. You don't know. Back to what matters. Okay, so this is the all-in-one plugin. This one's fully made by me. No benevolent on this one, but he helped. I'm not gonna lie, he helped. Feel kind of bad not putting his name in there, but I need my money. All he really did though was this to make it so this knob could do this, because I had no idea. Point is, it is done and it's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna run through everything, right? I'm just gonna describe what it is, and I'm gonna play it, and then you'll hear and you'll be like, oh, okay. All right, so first things first, the level is reverb. This whole side's reverb. I'm gonna go over reverb, delay, and then the beat. So first thing first, for reverb. So for the reverb to work, just turn up the level. Yeah. You can hear it for a second, but the decay is how long it'll play. If you put it all the way up, it's gonna hurt. It's going to hurt. Yeah. So much, way too much. That is the first thing. Separation, I like turning it up to like here, but that's just what I do. You don't have to turn it up to there. You can turn it up all the way. Do some BS. Yeah. I've been way too. Ghost is just a regular ghost this time again. I feel like I should have a ghost in there just because it's a reverb effect. So yeah. I've been way too geek. Hear that? It like replays it. Yeah. For the delay, it's important. So these three all control the same delay. So the cutoff has to be up on this one for it to even be hearable, right? The time. So the time right now this is 1. So this is 1. So it'll be like instant, like slap delay. Yeah. I've been way too. The cutoff is so high, you're gonna hear it a whole bunch. But then you turn up. This is 2, 4, 8, 16. I know it's kind of confusing because it doesn't say, but that is the way I did it because no one uses 12. Why would you? Point is, you can have Point is, you could do so many things with this. You could do anything with this. You could literally like turn it up to max. So yeah, I've been way too geek. I don't know why you do. I don't know why you do that, but if you want to do it, you can do that. Stutter delay. It's a gross beat effect where basically it just plays it 3 times, so you'll hear. Yeah. I've been way too geeked. I'm off the Zanny, blah. How I tell you about that? That's my. Now that one is kind of more like experimental. If you want to like do some ad lib BS, turn all the way up. By the way, it's just nothing but the glitch. Yeah. I've been way too geeked. I'm off the Zanny, blah. I'll not recommend doing that. It hurts my head a little bit. The part I think is the coolest, which you could use these for anything, like the beat effects. Like for example, underwater. It's just underwater. Like. Wait. And then pitch down. I'll play pitch down, pitch up. It's gotta hurt. So basically, that is just for the beat. But you'll see how I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it in a really cool way, which you can replicate pretty easily. I'm just gonna go and put this on the beat, and I'll show you exactly what it is on the beat. All right, it's on the master instead of the beat, but like it's the same thing. This is the red version of it, by the way. You get 4 different versions. You get a dark mode, a blue, a pink, and a red. My favorite's the pink is dark mode, but red looks pretty cool if you like red, and that's Benevolent's color, so red it is. You know, I was sitting here editing. You know, as you do, I was just cropping stuff out, getting it ready for the edit. You know what I mean? As you do. In this Voxingo, the way that you can hear it is behind the thing that you can hear. So the whole time I recorded, you couldn't hear anything except for the ones for the vocals. So here's the bass. Hopefully you can hear it. Basically, it just like kind of like makes it like really bass boosted. Like you can see, like it's like almost bad bass boosters, but the way that I can like envision using it is having it for like the start of a song, like a song that has like a melody like in the intro, then you have it kind of like go up, you know what I mean? Like kind of like have it like turn up, and then on the drop it like goes away fully. Then the helicopter. It's kind of a hard one to notice, especially on this beat. This beat, for some reason, not gonna lie, it's weird. So it's kind of just like a very, very slight helicopter noise. The outside is like outside of the club. Like that's just like the best way I can describe it. Like imagine like a mansion with like, you know Drake, DJ Khaled, and he's talking. He's like blah 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 blah, right? And like in the background you hear like boom 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 type of thing, you know what I mean? And it's like really dooming, you know what I mean? Just like that. The last one of these buttons is called a clear bass, just like bass but a little bit better, like in terms of it's not as like distorted and textury. It also has a flangus that kind of makes a cool sound, which would be good for intros, like right here, like again. That sounds pretty freaking cool, dude. And then a phase. Here's the phase. Very, very similar to clear bass, but it's more of like a knob so you can control it a little bit easier. And it's kind of just almost the same idea, but it has like a weird flangusy, like tape stoppy type of sound. I did this really bad in the other one, thank God. Pretty much what I'm gonna do here. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna have my beat, right? Let's just say like this, like the end of your beat, it just plays, right? Like nothing's there, right? What you can do is, for some reason, you have to activate it. So this one is because I did it before, but whenever you're gonna get this, you can't save it when I have to activate it for some reason. So let's say you wanted to automation clip this like ghost. You have to press activate on it, and then you can press create automation clip. So for the pitch down, I'm gonna create the automation clip, and I'm going to go right here where the beat is. I'm gonna turn it on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have it fade into the slow down, but I'm gonna have it start like here, and then I'm just gonna have it fade up, just literally this easy, like that's it, like that's literally it. Then you'll hear it. I think that's a really cool effect. Another effect you could do with it, I'm just gonna turn it up. This is gonna sound really weird potentially. Ooh, that's bad. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna do the activate create automation clip again to make this not so bad. Bang. That was kind of weird because there was a lot of different songs playing and beats, but if you could use that really well if you know what you're doing. Other than underwater, I think I talked about it before. It was so long ago, I don't even know. Oh. I think it's a really cool effect. You could do like that one is probably like the best, like one of my favorite effects ever, like ever, because you could just do so much. Like Jades, he did his entry log with this, which sounds crazy, but that's what he did. He put it on his vocals and he. Of course, he had like an indie. Oh my! Of course, he had like an indie preset on it, but that's what he did. Now, I'm gonna try and like snip this together so it doesn't feel weird. But if it feels weird, just know it is all my fault. And there should be a bundle where you get the all-in-one plugin and the UGFX plugin, which only have two of the same effects, but those effects aren't even like the main points of it. So those will be really good. I'm gonna show you on the website. Then that is it. That should be it. I think that's it. Yeah, that's probably it. Yeah. Okay. All right. Bye. Okay. Bye. It's so spicy. Oh my god. Benevolent.shop. BNVLNT.shop. Oh my god. Go to the top. Plugins. And then all-in-one plugin. And then if you want to buy both, it's $5 off if you buy both at the same time. You could just press this little check, and then you can add to cart, and then they both go into your cart, and then it's $40, $45 instead of $50 for both. It's been in FL21. Oh my god, dude. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I had some spicy food for a white person. So I'm back. It's okay. I'm kind of hurt. Anyways. I mean, you get the plug. You get the plugin. You get all these colorways. You get the blue, the red, the black, and then the pink. Then that's it. I mean, that's all there is to it. You already heard it all. Thank you for watching. It means a lot. And peace.